February 1st, 2011. Macomb, Illinois has become, well, it looks a lot like the Hoth system from The Empire Strikes Back, see? Now this is like my old home. I know it was snowy last winter, but this is my paradise. It's intense. The wind, the snow, it ain't stopping. It started this morning and it's not stopping. But I actually don't mind it that much.
It's snowing. I'd like to go diving in the snow, but I'm afraid I might not be able to come back out. How's it going for you, Druid?
Oh, I'm doing fine, Charlie. I just find this to be quite an honor. The newest recruit of the puppet troupe of 2011, and I'm already on location out in weather conditions of some sort. Did not see this coming. Auntie M, it's a blizzard!